In this quick 4-minute video, I'm going to take you through step by step on how to install the Facebook chat on your Curator platform. Now to do this, you want to have two tabs open. You want to have your website backend, you want to have your Facebook business page. You want to go to your settings tab on your business page, and you don't want to go to the Messenger platform on the left hand side, so the 7th one down. Now once you're here, if you either click customer chat plugin, jump to section, or you can just scroll down and find it. Once you're here, you click setup, you go next, and we want to just go through the tutorial step by step like Facebook brings us through. You choose your language, you can customize your own welcome message. You want to go to the next screen, you can choose your response time, and you can customize your colors here. I would probably just leave a typical replies in a few minutes, unless you're instantly on and you're always online, like Jillian at Curator. She's an instant response rate. So you want to either do it typical in a few minutes or set it to automatic response time. You have the option to customize the color here. Of course, this is Facebook Blue. If you want to customize your color, you can just come over here and type in, I don't know what Curator colors are, hashtag CO2 B2B, and all this instantly becomes your theme colors. Now, if you do not know your color theme by off the top of your head, if you actually go to your platform and you go to your settings here, and you go to your theme settings, you go right down here, we're actually going to have this color code for you right there, your primary color. If not, there's plenty of different Google plugins that'll give you a hand there, but get your primary color, and again, you just paste it right there. Hashtag is required. If hashtag is not there, it's not going to work. Next, you want to go to the next screen. Now, this is where we're going to authorize Facebook to have the chat on our site. It's called white labeling. So to do this, you want to just go to your website on another tab, and you want to take the entire URL. You want to take the HTTPS, you want to take the www, you want to copy the whole thing. You want to come over here, and you want to paste it and hit enter. Now I already have the Curator one, so let me go with this. You want to paste it and hit enter just like that. Now for safe measure as well, you want to do the exact same thing, but you want to remove the www in case anyone enters your website on a different different URL. Having the www and non-www, your website will function the exact same. It just has a difference on. We have to make sure we just give Facebook permission for both those URLs. So I go over here, paste that code just like that, and boom, I click save. And then we're going to choose I'll install this code myself. Now you just copy this code, it just copies it right to your clipboard. Now again, we're in the back end of your website, you click on the settings tab. Very down here you go scripts and tracking. We simply want to go Facebook chat, select header, paste the code, click add script. Once I do that, I'll click add script here and I'll go add script. Now this becomes part of your website. Now I'm going to delete that because I already have one in Curator.com. Now you just want to go back to your website and hit refresh. Give Facebook a few moments for it to process. And once you should see your chat in the bottom right hand side. If you went through these steps and in about 20 or 30 minutes later, you still do not have the chat pop up on your site, definitely start a live chat in the back end of your platform with our support team by clicking the little chat right there, and they can give you a hand. Any questions? Let us know. Thank you.